each year to make you feel ugly, lesser and in fear. Big Pharma, weight loss pills, they're all crooks. Don't sacrifice your future health for your current looks. Cosmetic chaos, it's insane, trying to hold back time's domain. Duck lips, odd hips, implants galore. Poker face champ, that's what Botox is for. Were thin and dull, injected fillers, now they're full. But now I'm stuck with permanent pout. I quack a low face like a trout. Fat sucked out from here to there, ignoring veggies, what's a pair? Skip the gym under the knife, instant abs and plastic life. Cosmetic chaos, can't you see? Chasing youth artificially. Our birthday gifts. Tasty cheeks, lifted eyes, chest inflated, surprise, surprise. Chemical peel makes me mean, just in time for Halloween. But listen up, let's be real, a tweak or two ain't no big deal. Who am I to judge? I don't have to see you nude. I don't judge if a lift to your belly lifts your mood. Cosmetic chaos, slippery slope, embrace aging, joy and hope. But if you tweak just a bit, don't get addicted to the hit. Confidence comes in different ways. Love yourself, enjoy your days. Nature gave you beauty and grace. Lifeline, show life.